So people often ask me why the heck I stopped seeing patients in my 3 clinics in Texas. I was getting to work with about 150 patients a week, and I was learning so much about fertility until I read a study that said that less than 5% of couples with infertility could afford fertility care. That meant that they probably couldn't afford my care either, and I felt kind of sick to my stomach and really disappointed. So I set out on a mission to try to figure out a way to marry what I had learned in 2 decades with well over 10,000 patients and technology, a kind of hybrid, so that I could deliver all of the value in the proven system that I had developed in a way that everyone could afford. And here's the zinger. The goal was to build something that was super affordable, that was like 50% as good as me. And here's the sucker punch. The algorithm that I built was actually more clinically efficacious than I was. In Chinese medicine, they say the good doctor treats the patient, the great doctor can treat society, and the master can make herself obsolete. That's what I'm doing. And that's what